Alright, so suppose we're looking for the derivative of natural logarithm. So the formula is derivative of ln u is equal to 1 over u du. So let's try to have an example number 1. Suppose my y is equal to the natural logarithm of 3x. So again, the formula says 1 over u. Y prime is equal to 1 over u. Your u here is 3x, so that's 1 over 3x times the derivative of whatever your u is. The derivative of 3x is 3. So therefore 1/3 x times 3, that's equal to 1 over x. Then done. Let's try to have another example. Suppose my y is equal to the natural logarithm of 4x minus 1. So according to the formula, it's 1 over u times the derivative of your u. So the y prime is 1 over 4x minus 1 times the derivative of your u. The derivative of 4x minus 1 is 4. So the answer now is 4 over 4x minus 1. Finish. So suppose I have my third example. My y is equal to 4 times the natural logarithm of x squared. Alright, again the formula is 1 over u, but we have a 4 there, so that 4, you just need to write it here on the left for a while and just ignore that. So you just need to take the derivative of this. When you use the formula, that's 1 over u, which is x squared, times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So therefore, y prime now is equal to, then you multiply this by 4. 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. Then x divided by x squared is over x. So the answer is 8 over x. There's another way of doing that. If you use the power law, remember the power law says if you have the natural logarithm of a to the p, so that's equal to p ln of a. If you use that law first, so this one here can be written as y is equal to 4 times 2 ln x. Okay, so this ln x squared, this ln x squared is actually equal to 2 ln x. So you have there now y is equal to 8 ln x, but this one is the same as that. Okay, this is the same as this original question. So now you can take the derivative, and according to the derivative, the formula is 8. This just copy. Then the derivative of natural logarithm of x is 1 over x. Then just simply multiply them. So y prime is equal to 8 over x, which is actually the same. Alright? So it's up to you if you would like to apply the rule first, or the natural logarithm laws. So I have here example number 4. So for number 4, suppose my y is equal to the natural logarithm of 2x minus 1 over 4x plus 1. Okay, so this is my question, and I would like to find the derivative of this. Again, it's going to be complicated, so we need to simplify it first by using the power, but not the power law, but the laws of logarithm and quotient. So this one here is actually the same as ln of 2x minus 1 minus ln of 4x plus 1. For those of you who got confused of this, remember the law. Remember the law that ln of a over b is equal to ln of a minus ln of b. So this is the laws of logarithm. Alright? Now you can now take the derivative of this because they are now simplified. So the y prime is equal to 1 over u, which is 2x minus 1, times the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is 2, minus 1 over this, 1 over 4x plus 1, times the derivative of 4x plus 1, which is 4. So you have right now y prime is equal to 2 over 2x minus 1 minus 4 over 4x plus 1. There you go. That's the final answer. You don't need to multiply them if it's not being asked in the question. But if you want to multiply, it's up to you, lah. All right. But in this example, I will not multiply it anymore. So I'm going to give you more example. Maybe example number 6. Your y is equal to the natural logarithm of square root of 4x minus or plus 2, all right, divided by x squared. So again, you need to simplify this using the laws of logarithm. So y is equal to the natural logarithm of 4x plus 2, or minus because we're dealing with quotient, minus natural logarithm of x squared. And then after that one, this one is better to write it in terms of the power. So 4x plus 2, the square root is the same as raised to the half minus ln of x squared. Now you have their exponents, so what you can do is use the power law. So the y now is equal to half ln 4x plus 2. Please take note that you are not yet taking the derivatives. You're only simplifying the given question. Then now you are now ready to take the derivative. So y prime is equal to 1/2. So just ignore that 1/2, copy it, and take the derivative of this, which is equal to what? 1 over u, which is 4x plus 2, times the derivative of that, which is 4. Minus, you copy the 2, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Therefore, your final answer, the y prime is 1/2 times 4 is 2. So 2 over 4x plus 2 minus 2 over x. However, the 2 here can be cancelled. So y prime is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1 minus 2 over x. So that is now your final answer. Okay, so thank you very much.